this book, Hair Transplantation, written by Robin and Ronald Spiro. I've been reading this book for last 6-7 days. I've been giving my analysis on this book. This is very nicely written and precise in everything. We will discuss FUT versus FUE. So two things are controversial, or maybe the pinpoint in FUT and FUE discussion, that is short wearing of the hair and linear scar. Is this look nice to every hair transplant surgeon to do to avoid anything like doing FUT or avoiding FUT only on linear scar, or should we be considering the long permanent solution of hair transplantation, because what we are doing is we are giving cosmetic density, cosmetic looks to the patients who they are looking. This cosmetic change permanently, but we need what we say to them in consultation and in the discussion before going for hair transplant surgery is we give them